The first thing that we want her to do when we're dealing with the eating, when we want to, first of all, I can see from here that she's looking at the food. And that's very important. The food has some colors, as you made, and it's great. And what we want to see is the eye, hand, and mouth connection. This is a very, very important thing that we want her to learn and to understand how to do. So first of all, what I want you to do when we want to teach her to eat by herself is I want her to look at the food. And I want you to show it to her. And we want to see that she is trying to get it with her hand. We need to be very patient. What we see is that she understands it needs to get to her mouth because she's opening her mouth. So we can touch it. We can put it inside her hand like she's doing now. We see that she's playing. You can touch her mouth. And then the connection will be clear that she needs to put it inside her mouth. Touch her hand, touch her mouth, don't touch the food. Again, touch her hand, touch her mouth. Perfect. And wait. Again, touch her hand, touch her mouth, and give it to her hand again. That's good. Okay. We need to be very patient in this in order to help her to learn. The third thing I remind you, she needs to look at the food. Now, another thing that you can do is I want you to take one piece as well. And I want her to see that you're doing the same thing. And put it inside your mouth. Do it together. One for her, one for you. Because I see that she's looking at you and I want her to copy you. Yes. Well done. Now I see that her legs are not are in the air. Very important that her brain will not be busy in something else. If the legs are in the air like this, the brain is trying to understand how to hold herself. How do I need to hold myself? Because the legs are not on the ground. When they're on the ground, my brain will be busy in the food and not in holding myself. And this is a very, very important thing during dinner, to see that her legs are on it, okay, on something, that she doesn't need to hold them. This is good. This is great. Well done. Yummy. Wow, she's holding it so nicely. Yes. You're eating by yourself for the first time.